Asunto-osakeyhtiö Massinhovi.
This is also very nice. Today on the 12th of July 2024 we also got inside Vesijärvenkatu 57 staircase A, and you can also watch the staircase B, which we just filmed. It's also here in Lahti, Lahti's Finland. And the capacity is 8 persons or 6 bedrooms. And this one was built in 2000.
Yes.
Okay, at the beginning of 2000.
Yeah.
The other one is late 1999.
Yeah.
Okay, and the knife was here. And the cylinder is B1 and E 2720. It's a bit hard. Yes. This was finished in 2000.
Yeah.
The late 99 one has only 6 floors.
Yeah.
Otis, talk about
Inspektiittpaikki väistytään, että maintained by Kone.
I like the sounds of the smell again.
Same here.
Okay. That's it.
That's